Got a VIN file from RF circuit design work and need to access the project information? This is a metadata file from professional RF and microwave design software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these AWR Design Environment project information files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming. And it features my favorite single VIN file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. VIN files are project information files created by Cadence AWR Design Environment software used for RF, microwave, and high-frequency electronic circuit design. They store project metadata, including version information component references, simulation settings, and design hierarchy data supporting the comprehensive RF design workflow in AWR's tool suite. VIN files use Cadence AWR's proprietary format, storing project configuration parameters, component library references, simulator settings, hierarchical design organization, and version control metadata. The structure includes file path references to associated design files, schematic data, and electromagnetic simulation parameters within the AWR project ecosystem. National Instruments defined NI Multisim as the application primarily intended for VIN. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows may show the file's presence but not its meaning, requiring specialized software for access. Start by right-clicking the VIN file and selecting Open With. Test NI Multisim first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some VIN files are very particular about the opener. If your VIN file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, opening an AWR Design Environment. Launch Cadence. AWR Design Environment, and open the project containing the VIN file through File then Open Project. The software automatically reads the VIN information file, along with associated schematic and simulation data, presenting the complete RF design project in its integrated design and simulation environment. Next, inspecting project metadata. Open the VIN file in a text editor like Notepad++ to view project metadata if stored in readable format. This inspection can reveal project structure component lists and configuration settings useful when troubleshooting project loading issues or documenting design specifications without launching the full AWR software. Finally, backing up project files. Always back up VIN files, alongside their associated project directory contents, since these files reference other project components. Use version control systems or comprehensive backup procedures to maintain project integrity, ensuring all linked files remain available when reopening the project in AWR Design Environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.